Tresenke yensha simfri asia na yemfa nkosro na ebi nso say oh baby e dana ye na wutie honorable Sylvester or say a proposal and of course it can change it who knows our proposal muhu ni say na candidate amode ne ba no do you think there should be a change and answer the yensan try bi
oh medasi na amenfa konyin na menchia etifo me crew much mango be just south and before nyina ni executives constituency executives nyina me chair obibia na fe so retired commissioner job to 4 COP job to 4 retired and so me chair no also there has been some kind of I don't know some can say miscommunication and say misunderstanding bia party no na no the Free National Council in share mu ni mu ba ye no. As I said, the amount for the communicated the home common a different. There is a proposal, top down approach. No, that is a proposal. And no, July National Conference, no, and they take a decision on that. And no, some common in Yamayu. A proposal, amount for proposal, the comma, a friend say, party, no, hierarchy, national, say, constitutional review committee. Say omonhwe na se bia conference adoptia na ya hwe ya use en say see de ye ka ho asem say see ya national council ko ka ho asem no say time aye de ye presidential election no time aye de ye presidential election no to da bia ben dodo ni election and kasa general election for instance na no de ye ko yi Dr. Bawomi aye candidate ni 4th November 2023 ekoto abasi December 2024
na ze ya amunta enyi ntem
onya 1 year 1 month
okay
and the year a friend is a year campaign right. Meanwhile then candidates Mahama so na presumptive leader of the NDC no na ifo nyina project na or responded to the policies and near nyina over 2 years Enti no the count on what talk Ghana 3 times and Sunday to aba. Dr. Bawomi only got a chance 1 time penalty to Ghana.
Why vice president? People knew him already.
He wasn't the candidate for the party. Vice president is different. Mampanyi Mahama no a president. But call elections. But enti man for say Sabayana candidate in ample time to market himself. And near one. And at the same time, you call election be answer divisions. Ewo party nimu. Now no dey I won't deny say baby I see. Na factionalism or Kennedy supporters or Dr. Bawomi supporters are they any supporters. We dey nyina ho no bi. And I can someone so because of say make man can be there but me a party in the can say you can some and so we are you need time to mend all these broken bridges and some way see any identity kwase mo so onya bre na o sie ni nyina enti yan kwa ntem se be ya ebetimi enya bre de din kan ebenya bra ton candidate no ebenya bra siesie entawanta we beba party ni mu at the same time so ebetimi enya opposition leader obetimi hold the government accountable for now so aban ye ni maybe say na friend say honorable Slaye can say the media now is silent maybe aban ye enkoso but you need somebody to set an agenda and media na follow. In the Dr. Bawomi and I say any person be a party not to be a Kennedy and I say Nhyira Kwabena Japan the candidate for the party or can same be a carry weight. In do say so make any criticism be against the government now a be carry weight I mean discuss the best the agenda no in the in time another one and so say be the a friend say honorable by or pre-general secretary unim. Say young to presidential and say the free a form on my ban and a presidential na be lasa. Those aspirants no Obema doing say omo ko form hobia ko ye interest. Omo ko femi power be contest constituency chairman, constituency secretary, constituency one honing. Enti yan to free hono mra no. We in crofo benya general secretary. We nipa benya chairman. Enti during primaries no na afei akoye kiti. Yan to ba no nwie no. Obi wonu man am say we na sponsor man be chairman and na say nipa ko na nwini enti na ne commitment pa no na akoye bibie wo ho but yenye presidential candidate ni wi a any other aspirant bia or contest bi he has no other interest bi the interest na ye party ni ebe win the obe win no so interest ni na so say party ni be win the obe contest bia so interest say party ni be win the general election and yes be a okwa ko win constituency no dey be feather as far as be friends agenda enti enu nti na ma nyina ya gi atum say yenya presidential election no first eye wie na say conference eko July no mo gitum say yen chance yen free throw say yen chance yen free polling station sorry polling station dey me gitum say be kan ye no ansa na ekoto presidential no but after that say me ye constituency ansa na say yen koye national ansa ni nyina no the bottom line is say the ma de pa ne maintain me ho ase ne kitikiti e ba kese pa no e presidential no so whatever way say yen presidential ni wi a say you form the day as you say through the day as you ni nyina ebefa
okay
in the memo there I do agree perfectly with national council decision I'm not so much concerned about say from national level to friend say polling station level but at all time they believe in say yenye presidential election no first.
Okay.
Yeah, we are. All other interests. Be as can make coffee me as parent. Me do be kujina constituency chairman say be winia. Ono so be ye medjuma me. Si akoto ene wi na me winia. Me di obi ko chairman na kwa kwede.
Okay. Right.
But also on Diego. And the party for a best omo ente enema ase. Obi so can say oh ebi ana ebe ma obi on me matter man for kasa ebe ma obi on deal advantage any ade me hunu how ebe ma obi advantage.
No, but people also say Baumia lead akobi pain Dr. Baumia akobi pain Kennedy Japan akobi pain which omo asho omo face ama manfo ehu omo na ye wo nkofo bi so omo so show interest recently omo no nhye dan to enkoye campaigns around the country ma MPP for na nkasa call MPP for no nhye dan hu omo it is short times no those people cannot market themselves well especially Dr. Duchum Brian no money ade no more expose omo so omo
maka nyina ko contest ni bi pen omo maka with the exception of Dr. Brian Champon and Dr. Osaye Oduchum. So any power we me pe.
But we declare our intention. We don't know others who will add. But even if it's one person,
omo declare ni be kan.
Don't you think that short time no man won't disadvantage?
No kwase mo me say between Dr. Bawumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, any Nhyira Lanchera Martin, one na ye veteran. It was a game we see mo. Between say ni Panami and Sano. Na Lanchera Martin ko since 2007, 2010, 2014. No, I got 3 times. And sana, one is any pa me we say SB 2023 no. But what happened? Omumi no channel. Era can the crowd there. Na obi akra nwe and na nwe say e beduru me bia na be na abetiesim. But what is him he was able to beat Alancher Martin with in the special delegate conference. No?
Okay.
In the time no there.
Right.
It doesn't matter, and especially pay directive ne de ekoso no ye be ye polling station election for fro e ho na base ni wo ho na dodo no nyina wo about 200,000 of the delegates no e form ho na omo
right
enti obi abenya akonya akwa ton na asem di ama wo mo na wo mo atake decision the party for nya abotre na ye nyina ye supporting national council decision
right quickly fa oil on sensem ne zoom lion issues no esoso na afi me nko other guest na ye ni nkomo ene Iran Israel ntokoi is we are expecting say crude bobe costro and of course fuel price possible say a bit me ashutu there's a possibility meti fellows of Usuku actually ni ade omo akasa say there's a likelihood of an increase in price of crude oil in the international world market due to the Israel-Iran war, and that will have an impact. Ewo Ghana yensu yeswa ebitumi akosro kakra. Moji dise bibi wo hwa bia ebitumi aye. Na Zoom Lion so the say home contract ne de is not renewable again. Abansik sanitation companies are do mufin zo bitumi aba wo mutumi bam. Sa no man nyina no ohu ne sen. The next 5 minutes.
Also, Honorable Felix say the world market price no ebe costro.
Yeah.
Me costro ebe affect Ghana yenso ye de. We so say no kan.
Yeah. That is what he said.
Jeff, me confirmation.
Jeff, Felix of Osukachi. There's a likelihood of an increase in price of crude. For not to sumame.
The honorable Felix, or your government's spokesperson. Sure. And as a government communication director was saying, what is the position on sanity? Government spokesperson or no cancer.
Yeah.
Say world market price and likely to be cost and the cost will be affecting Ghana.
Yeah. Government communications.
But just last month, now until last week, and world market price and a cost could do $70 per barrel. Before the
year, be drew 100 grand.
Now a year 63.
Right.
Down from $83 per barrel in January. Tama almost inherited 14.99%. Sorry, 14.99 cedis. Liter of petrol. But almost 17 cities. But in actual sense, since January, now 14.99 petrol. Sabe na petrol bo German so $83. A petrol bo no so te ba $62 no a. E so te wo Ghana ha say no mo ka kire say German so nti na ameswate. O man kan kire say o mo say o mo na ya ma petrol no so ate nkomo o mo di ye no ba bia me ni NDC communicator bia atene bia no. Sa no mo kan ye. Enti me mpesa asem na tie. I want them to continue doing that same magic. Some magic no a. Omo ye ya omo say na ma petrol bo so aba fom eno some magic ntina ho saa because I am papa ba
but say cost road
there be
adjustment
me say according to the NDC philosophy eno say bomb to Ukraine na Ghana ato say bomb to Iran na ento Ghana enti ade bia ni wo ekoso amanone ba bia e wo say enye nsunsuanso wo ye nso and a match will say in 2022, time I can't as January 2022, na petrol a price less than 8 cedis. January 2022, na petrol price Ghana na less than 8 cedis a liter. Time Ukraine war na share petrol share jump here catch Ghana for say external factors na ma yen near ma share on this for say omunti subida. Nebinsi omanpanyi mahama say bomb na to Ukraine nya Ghana ha na eto enunti ye twantro omo ba ye te petrol so wo dwaman so oman kan say ye dwaman so ne ate so nti na ama Ghana ha bia so wate edomu ntimi nkan che say tumu wo dwaman so o se Ghana ha say so tumu we won't accept it ye ntum the Ghana ni bia nche no so NDC fo age afa say omo na ama petrol so wate enti adekode na omo ye ma petrol so te say ye na to petrol 1 liter 10 and 11 cedis no omo na ntina ho saa emfa ho ne de besi wo wiase bia because omo wo the magic wand MPB for boy ti na ma petrol ko dru 14.99 time ye ja ho akono omo ai be magic amna be dru 11 cedis any 10 point something omo na ntina ho saa obi me kan kire yen say adwaman so bibi ni ade we won't accept that.
Right. So Zoom Lion they no be take it quick.
A very quick one.
A minute or two now. Memory
Zoom Lion
real part so that I go to them.
Zoom Lion there no. Me kakra me kan say aban no on say letter now mo tray and I say this statement ba so mo renew no. The mo tray akoma Zoom Lion. Tu manasi Azurim let it be any response. So they respond to that petition. No say they won't renew.
Yeah.
Or man can be review because does it mean say abandon any Zoom Lion any BBA can be any B1? Because capacity Zoom Lion one. Meaning say there is any other waste management company be Ghana or that capacity no.
No, they are saying say so almost and yet to say monopoly no size or but they can also compete for a Jumano and yet to say Zoom Lion Yabo Mudia to say Jumana or Mudia. And the company beyond so beat me up, Zoom Lion beat me as Abba back. So qualify within the idea they can
pay they respond or no or say will not be renewed.
And the Zoom Lion crash say the statement about say contract no expire the BC are terminated and yet terminated expire which o contract expire here renewal nipa no be renew no
same
pa no hwe say o performance no ma be bre wo mu a ono no consider with me renew am na won renew that one lies in the person no your contract a two party affair
me I mean person may PL there ma Zoom Line because omo me no need tracking bia me interest say Ghana ebeti
right
say Ghana betimi ayeyi enti if say any other company be na companies be e wo Ghana ha wo betimi aye adwuma ama yen important mate said the Zoom Lion aye over the years since 2004 something that they're about more than 19 years in the Zoom Lion aye said you say. So if there are other companies or Ghana or more equal capacity said the Zoom Lion, on which I doubt there, but say be to my yen idea, I welcome it. But yen say ebia na ye koye na be ma enya company be friends what that capacity, but because of be acronism they are more linked to the government in yen terminate Zoom Lion conference be yen so party forms being so ebedidi constituency chairman be constituency youth organizer be company immediately there but we need capacity, we need training, we need skill be anedi a year command now wa ama important craft na fini adore say yes hard ya and then yeah mini problem we are with and especially me the way forward kakra me face issue we see and say you bet me Zoom Lion I manage the collection and disposal because the issues they say now about the sweeping the collection and so the management said disposal are not there you bet me Zoom Lion I manage now why I manage the sweepers now etua won kan tim ko pra Zoom Lion for them tracks na de be ba no abesesa enti those sweepers no will not have any direct with Zoom Lion no akoye friend say why for emumu edie ti betua Zoom Lion for ka with the collection any the disposal no pay na nke no so atimi aboa ma omotimi ato aso ayo modwuma magana ate se de etie no a
but as about MPP communications team member and I wote ne nka se ono so ne de egu no ma menkwa mo aben ho ansa na maba CPP